Yeah.
So why you have tell me you are ugly? You're so good, beautiful. You're looking so good.
No, I'm not.
Mahal kita.
Well,
Okay, so what's your name? Is that your name? Roshni?
Rose Ann.
Rosman?
Rose Ann.
Okay, nice name. That's beautiful. So, are you from Philippines? So, which district live in Philippines?
Cavite.
Cavite. Okay. And
Cavite.
I'm from Bangladesh. Do you know about my country, Bangladesh?
Are you from Bangladesh?
Yes. Do you know about my country?
I know that.
Oh, my language is Bangla. Do you want to learn something Bangla from me?
What is kamusta ka? Mean how are you in Bangla?
How are you means কেমন আছো?
Kamunato.
Yes. And do you want to know? Do you want to learn mahal kita in Bangla?
What is it?
আমি তোমাকে ভালোবাসি।
Huh?
আমি তোমাকে ভালোবাসি।
Ami, palang mama na siya.
আমি, okay, listen carefully and repeat after me. আমি তোমাকে ভালোবাসি।
Ami.
তোমাকে ভালোবাসি। It's very difficult to spelling my language. So okay, so are you student? Are you still a student?